How to export database table via phpMyAdmin in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Databases section and click the phpMyAdmin. On the left sidebar, there are databases. Click on the database you want to export. On the top bar of this window, there are different options available to perform different operations on the database. Go and click the Export button. SQL format is already selected. Now click the Go button. If your browser is Chrome, you can see the downloaded file here. Now you know how to export database tables to your computer. Thank you for watching.